Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today just very simple task today. I just want to fix the strap for this Casio watch. For your information, this is the Casio MTP-VD300 So the original strap is the black one over here. This is the original strap. Now we would like to try it on the this is the light brown. This is the light brown strap. This is the light brown strap from which I ordered from China. Very cheap. It's about $4 US. If you can just focus there, it is mentioned, written as genuine leather, but we don't know whether how far is that true. Okay, so we would like to try this is the brown, the light brown strap. So you can see here, this is the what they call as the quick release spring bar. Just focus it properly. This is the quick release spring bar, which make it very easy to attach the strap to your watch. Okay, let's have a look here. So firstly, we're going to attach so like this. Okay, so you put in the other end of the pin into the other side of the lug, and then pull this in and wait for it to snap in. Okay, that's it. And the other side, very easy, the same process. Put in the first the other end of the pin. Just focus it for you, and then slowly pull the other end, wait for it to snap. Alright, so that's it. What do you think? Is this the right one? This is the right strap? Okay, we'll try that on my wrist. My wrist is only about 6.5 inches. I'll be back with you shortly. Okay, that's it. I'll refocus it for you. Okay, so it's look nice. There is a classic look here because of the leather, of the light brown leather. Alright, well, we try with this the other one. This is another leather strap, the same brand, the same price, I ordered from China. This one is black. So let's try and put it in here. I'll be back in a short while. Okay, it is fairly easy to remove this. If you could just look at it, if you just watch me take it off, just pull it, and then that's it. We got it off. Right, so now I have to open strap here. Right, and the other one here. Okay. Wow, this is look good, look nice, look beautiful. It's still the same. There's a marking, there's a writing, engraving there, genuine leather. So it is the same, but only the color is different. I think this will fit in with this watch, because if you look carefully, the Casio here, the dial of the Casio is black. I think this will fit perfectly. Okay, let's just do it very quickly. there very quickly. First end, oh sorry, the first end over there, put it in, and then pull it. Oops. Well, you have to do it slowly. All right, got it. And then the other end, the same process. That is, put the other end first, and then pull it in. Oops. And wait for it to snap. All right, got it. Okay, that's it. Let's put this on my tiny wrist. Well, look at that. So as I have mentioned earlier, the color of the strap actually match the dial of the watch. So it seems like it's a matching color. So I think this is the best strap for this kind of watch. A dark dial and a dark leather strap. Very good combination. Very nice, very beautiful combination. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, and we'll see you again in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.